morning.
Morning.
So today we're in Buttermere and we're up here for our annual pilgrimage to the Lake District. Today's plan is to go up Rannerdale Knots and Whiteless Pike, Wandope, and then Grassmore and back down. That will be our 92nd, 93rd, 94th and 95th Wainwright, leading us just 5 more to go to reach our target of 100.
That was a stiff climb.
Hard.
Yeah.
Very hard.
But
so this is the top of
Rannerdale Knots.
Wainwright number
92.
92. Okay, so we've just seen the view of where we got to go. Let me show you. It is along there and then up. Up that looks awful. Right round there and here. So that's Whiteless Breast,
Whiteless Pike,
Whiteless Pike,
Wandope,
and finally Grassmore. And the way down didn't look brilliant either.
I think there's a better way down than that. That's not
And
good.
let's hope so.
Don't fancy coming down there even with sticks.
And the view from here, Red Pike and High Style, Haystacks, and right down the end at the back, Gable. Fleetwith Pike is one of the most popular wild camping spots, is just down off the top of that. I can't remember who found it first, but everyone's queuing up to go there now. So we've just come back down to where the valley, well, where Rannerdale Knots runs into the valley. And now we got this fearsome ridge going up there, so we're getting the sticks out.
Yep, definitely.
And there's, I don't know, there's what we've seen about 18, somewhere between 15 and 20 people coming down this hill. I don't know what's going on. Oh, stumbled into a race. So we just got to the top of Whiteless Pike.
Yeah.
I took a photograph of it. It was so windy up there, there's no way you could film.
Yeah, it's really bad.
So we've just, I don't know, 10 metres down. We're still in the wind, but not so bad now. That was tough.
It was tough.
Yeah.
Especially all the walkers going the other way.
Yeah, it turns out there's 333 people on, what was it called, the 10 in 10?
10 in 10.
And the 5 in 5 going the opposite way to us. So
Yeah, some are running, some are walking.
some look like 5 in 5 might be a real struggle. Others as fit as butcher's dogs. The whole thing.
Bit of everything, yeah. I think they've all gone now. I think
Yeah.
we're past the last
So
one.
we're just going to show you where we are. So we're not quite on the top of Whiteless Peak, we just come over the top of it, but now it's Wandope, and Wandope is up this lovely looking ridge here. That looks fun. And over there you can see the Derwent Valley. Look at all this, beautiful. And right over the back is Scawfell Pike, Gable, Great End, the whole lot. Fantastic. That is the top of Wandope.
Right.
That is Wainwright number 94.
Yeah, that's 3 today then.
And we stopped here for lunch.
Because the sun was out and now it's gone.
And we just spent ages trying to work out what all these hills are. And we've worked out that we can see all the Hale Venning range over there. And over this way at the back you can see Gable and all the Skull Fell range. And all these lovely, lovely little hills in between. Not too shabby. Nice one. Right, just coming up to the top of Grassmore. Linda's beaten me to it, as always. Where do you tap?
Nowhere, because it's a shelter. I've got somebody starting on the way.
Yes, I do. So that's Wainwright number 95. So that's 92, 93, 94, 95.
Yeah.
Rannerdale, Knots, Whiteless Pike, Wando and Grassmore done.
Okay.
So I don't know if this video is going to come out. Just still learning how to use the Rode mics.
Yeah, and it's been very windy.
Yeah, very windy, so there are parts we couldn't really film at all because it was just crazy. But we've had a good day.
Yeah, apart from the squeeze slope.
Yeah, it's a tough way back down to the car, but there you go. Anyway, see you in the next one.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.